Welcome back to Mhuts. We thank you for joining our Mhuts community by subscribing and liking our videos. This is follow-up video of Investment Basics Intro. In our last video we introduced different types of investment vehicle. If you have not watched it, we have left link above for you to watch it. That is out of the way. In this video we will see banking and stock market as investment vehicle. Before we start investing our money or time in anything, we should understand how fast we can liquidate our money when we need it. Of course we are investing our money because it can work for us, when it is most needed during our crises or for new horizon. Without further ado, let's dive into bank as an investment vehicle. Surely bank gives us more liquidity than most of investment vehicles, but it comes with its cost tag to it. Bank provide us different accounts as a service. Some of the account types are saving accounts, which is high liquidity instrument but give us low return, maybe around 1 to 3%. Recurrent account, it is particularly good instrument if you are saving your money for your short-term goal. When I say short-term it is 3 to 12 months. Current account, this is mostly used by business and institutes for money transactions. Bank provide us high liquidity, that mean we can withdraw our money whenever needed it. We can withdraw by UPI, ATM cards, net banking. Some of these services comes with annual charges and minimum balance criteria. Of course they will charge it because they must pay for infrastructure, employees, CEO, etc. So how long would it take to make your money double? If your bank is paying simple interest of 3.5% annually and you have deposited 1 lakh, then it would take 33 years long to make your money double. Oh, dear, this even called investment? We will leave it for you to answer that question. You should always go for compounding interest whenever it is possible. Yes, it is easy to say than done. So, is there any risk involved in bank deposit? Yes and no, it depends on which bank you park your money. We all know Yes Bank, PNB Bank issues. But overall, your money is safe in bank, and you should never walk away from the bank system. So how much of your money is suggested to park in bank? It depends on your immediate money requirement, however we suggest keeping 3 months of expense or 3 months salary. Whichever is higher, this only applicable when your healthcare and life is insured. We will talk about insurance in our next video, so stay tuned. If you don't have health insurance for you and your family, it's better have at least 12 months of expense or salary reserves in bank or cash for managing risk. What future holds for banking? There is huge research happening on blockchain technology, which is potentially alternative way to do money transaction. As of now in many of countries it is not legal, but surely in our near future this will be mainstream of transacting money. We will do separate video about blockchain. Because of COVID-19 many reserve banks across the world has cut the interest rate to stimulate the economy. So you expect lesser returns from the bank. This brings us to logical transit to our next topic. Stock market. Before you start investing in stock market, we would like to quote Warren Buffett words. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. In order to invest in stock market you should have a Demat account and bank account. Once you have account opened you are set to invest. Investing money long term is different investing money short term, both needs different skill set. We variety of options to invest based on your financial requirements. Let's see buy and buy. IPO, initial public offering, this is when any company wants to go public and would like share their profit with common people or institution. Here equity will be allocated to stakeholders from primary market. Equities or stocks or securities refers to stocks which are traded in the secondary market, which can be bought or sold through exchange broker like ABM, Zerodha, etc. ETF, exchange traded fund, this also trades in secondary market like stocks, but these are combination of stocks bundled together by AMC companies. For example, Kotak Nifty EFT is combination of all the stocks in listed Nifty index and provided by Kotak. If you're a beginner and want to take less risk, this is best place to start with, as ETF have moderate risks generally. F&O, options and futures, this is will only applicable underlying index stocks for buying and selling. This is mainly used for hedging against your investment. This means you use to protect your investment against volatility of the stock market. This should only venture with proper understanding stock market and its underlying mechanism. Commodities trading. Here you buy and sell commodities securities through exchange broker like MCX. When we are talking about commodities, these are essential commodities like gold, copper, oil, etc. Commodity trading can be used hedging options to protect market volatility. Mutual funds. Of course we must talk about mutual funds. When we are talking about stock market, most of us would have invested in mutual funds without even knowing where our money would be invested in. Mutual funds are managed by fund managers, so-called experts. And we have to pay fee for managing our funds to AMC company from where you would purchase the mutual fund. We are not great advocates of mutual funds, but if you are planning investing your money here, it is better to invest in index fund or good quality funds. For mutual fund investment you do not need Demat account. Each of this instrument require their own videos. If you did not understand any of these terms or stock instruments, do not worry. You are covered, and we are making videos detailing each of the stock instruments for your advantage. We would like to bring into your notice that speculating is not equivalent to investing. When speculate, that means you are ready to take some risk. So please take informed decisions. Talking about speculating, do you think initial coin offering is good investment? Join us in comment section to discuss. In our next video we will talk about real estate and insurance, which really interesting topic, and we will let you know is it right time to invest in real estate? We thank you for making it so far and sharing your valuable time. We are leaving with some insight. Do you know which investment vehicle has given high returns in last 10 years? Stock market, bank deposits, real estate. And the answer is stock market. You guessed it right, well done. Thank you for staying with us till end, and we see you in our next videos.